Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 6th of October 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for SPX, and this is for the upcoming expiry on the 11th of October 2024. Now, the max OI level for CE has been the same at 5,750, PE reduced to 5,730, which is negative. Sorry, quantity is high for CE, that's positive. Change is higher for PE, that's positive. The short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR is still very high, that's negative. Implied volatility is lower, and historical volatility is also lower, that's two positives. RSI is higher, that's positive. Divergence, yes, that's negative. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is lower, that's positive. Both EMAs are higher, that's positive. VWAP is lower, that's negative. Pivot point is higher, that's positive. Candlestick is kind of neutral. The new support is 5,730. Previous week's support was 5,750. And the resistance is the same at 5,750. But overall, this option chain tells us that there's a high likelihood that the S&P 500 goes up this week. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.